Hello guys, this is how to log in. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. Welcome to our video tutorial on how to go to the SAM central page of Cengage. If you're a student or instructor using SAM, Skills Assessment Manager, to improve your skills in Microsoft Office or other technology areas, the SAM central page is your one-stop shop for accessing all the resources and tools you need. In this video, we'll show you how to navigate to the SAM central page on Cengage, where you'll find a wealth of information on how to use SAM effectively, including tutorials, help articles, and training resources. We'll also explain how to contact SAM support if you have any questions or need assistance. So if you're ready to take your skills to the next level with SAM, this video is for you. Let's get started. So firstly, go to your web browser and type sam.cengage.com in the search bar and hit enter. It will take you to this page where it asks you to enter your username and password. But if you look below, you will see SAM Central button. Click on it. Now you are officially inside it. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.